Want to study Cambodian? No time? It's not a problem anymore. These Cambodian books can help you.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn Khmer with my channel, and I'm Dara from the Khmer Lesson. Today I have a new lesson for you, and also this lesson is a request from one student as well, but he would like to know about the path of a motorcycle in Khmer. So now I already prepared this lesson for you and for you all and for him as well. Okay, so right now if you are ready, let's get started with me together. Okay, the first word from this lesson is handlebar. Handlebar. Đai chồng cột. Đai chồng cột. Đai chồng cột. Speedometer và speedometer. Công tơ. Công tơ. Công tơ. Headlight. Trần kiêng mục. Trần kiêng mục. Trần kiêng mục. Rear view mirror. Cành chọ mơក្រោយ. Cành chọ mơក្រោយ. Cành chọ mơក្រោយ. Front brake lever. Đai phanh. Đai phanh. Đai phanh. Clutch lever. Đai ombrilla. Đai ombrilla. Đai ombrilla. Fuel tank. Thùng xăng. Thùng xăng. Thùng xăng. Seat. Cạp. 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 Mudguard. Cùm rợp phụa. Cùm rợp phụa. Cùm rợp phụa. Turn signal lamp. Trần kiêng xì nhầu. Trần kiêng xì nhầu. Trần kiêng xì nhầu. Muffler. Bầm pung xì măng. Bầm pung xì măng. Bầm pung xì măng. Shock absorber. Bồm. 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 Gear shift. Trần cơ lệch. Trần cơ lệch. Trần cơ lệch. Tail light. Trần kiêngក្រោយ. Trần kiêngក្រោយ. Trần kiêngក្រោយ. Engine. Machine. 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 Front tire. Con múc. Con múc. Con múc. Back tire. Conក្រោយ. កង់ក្រោយ កង់ក្រោយ This break different 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 front fender ស្រទាប់មុខ 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 frame តួ 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 chain ច្រវាក់ 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 brake pedal ឈ្នាន់ហ្វ្រាំង 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 inner tube ពោះវៀនកង់ 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 spokes កាំ 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 air filter សំបុក air សំបុក air សំបុក air wheel យ៉ាន់កង់ 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 horn C play C play C play battery អាគុយ 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 spark plug boozy 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 pillion កែបក្រោយ 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 number plate ស្លាកលេខ 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 Okay, that's all for this lesson and thanks so much for watching. I hope everyone enjoyed this. And if you have any question or any idea, please let me know in the comment section and I will try to answer your question. Okay, again, thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.